problem is to write a program in Python to generate a random number. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCubeTech. My name is Ayushi and in this video we will learn how to write a program in Python that will allow us to generate a random number. So guys, to create this program we need a random module from our Python library. We will be using that module. With the help of that module we will be creating this program. So let's have a look on how this program can be created. So as I said, we are going to use a random module. Now what does this random module does? The random module allow us to randomly choose between the numbers, randomly choose between the letters, or randomly choose between anything that we provide to it. Suppose we have a file and if you want to read it and you want to get a random data from it, then random module can be used. Similarly here what we will be doing, we will be using this random module to obtain a random integer. Now how to obtain a random integer? We will be writing a code for that. First of all, to use the random module in our program, we will be using import random. After importing random, what we need to do, we need to create a variable. So let's say I'm creating a random int variable. Now inside it, what I'm going to write the name of the module, that is random. Random dot, you can already see I have got so many options over here. The first option, we need to go with the first option, that because we want to obtain a random integer over here. So we'll be going with the first option, that is randint. Now randint over here takes two variables, that means two parameters it takes. What two parameters? That the starting value and the ending value, that you want a random number between which range. So here we will be giving it a range, that suppose you want a random number between 1 to 10. Now what we need to do, we need to print this random int. So 1 to 10 over here is that 1 is the starting value, 10 is the ending value, and we have to choose a number between 1 to 10 including 1 and 10 as well. So if I run it, I'll get the output 1. If I run it again, 1, 10, 7, 5, 4, 7. So you can see every time we are getting a different output. That means we are getting a random integer between 1 to 10. Now you can provide with any value. Suppose if you write 1 to 100, it will give you a random integer between 1 to 100. So if I run it, I'll get 43, 85, 39. So any random number between 1 to 100 you can get, along with 1 and 100 as well. So this is what random would do. So guys, here we have finished our program, and in the 3 simple steps we have created a program that would generate a random integer for us. Only we need to do is import random, write random int is equals to, we need to write the name of the module, that is random, dot which attribute we are using. So we are using random int, and inside this we need to pass two parameters over here, that is the starting value and the ending value. Lastly we need to print it. So I hope you guys have no doubts and questions, and for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.